Hey guys. How are you?
Yet again, we're back again, people, with a brand new video, isn't it? Now, today we are going to do a reaction to Young M.A. You see me? Everybody know Young M.A. as a as a spit already. Anytime she drops on one track, she go on with a bag of things. You see me? So now we have to lend we ears to that freestyle. Like a long time I don't hear nothing from Young M.A. So we have to lend we ears to that freestyle, yeah, and see how she go on. You see me? I say. But before we're gonna further. Just remember to click like, share, subscribe. Key thing, subscribe. You see me I say, turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified when time we drop a new video them. You see me I say, but yeah, without further ado, we can just jump in it and here we should go on with.
I'm thinking these bars, what you thinking? I'm thinking, woo.
Let's go. Talk your shit.
DJ Juanito, let's go,
I'm
bro.
fucking DJ in the city, man. So I'm playing with the GOAT, man.
I'm here.
Hello.
Woo. Fam.
Alright, she does refer to herself as the GOAT just now. She may not really believe that. I don't think she's up on a level there yet. But I said it go. My opinion then.
Casanova, what up?
Alright, Flex. Listen, they told me to do it, so I went and did it. I said the Queen of Brooklyn, nigga, let's get it. That's Queen with a K, so I'm a king too. It's Kings County, I'ma show you what this queen do. Listen, man.
Mad bars, mad bars. See me? Queen with a K, King 2. Cause you know she's not straight, you see me? You know she gay, so she don't go deal with females, you see me I say? So you must get that.
I don't do it for likes. 9 times out of 10, I do shit for a price. I told Cass if I'ma do it, I'm doing it right. Let these little niggas know what I do with a mic. I got the crown like heights. Yeah, I took the shit. We don't ask, we just take real Brooklyn shit. This beat is real raw, I had to cook this shit. Oh, this mine now, Cass, I had to book your shit. I'm top 10 and that's a Philly fact. Any nigga wanna bet, I put my hundreds where your pennies at. Yeah, I'm pretty, but ain't shit pretty. I'm from the city where it's gritty at. That click, clap, give me that. And put the glizzy right there where your kidneys at. Well, that's a bust down AP, send me that. Can't flex in my city, no, they gon' envy that. Niggas hungry, they'll kill you for a 50 pack, real shit. Police chases, constant discrimination. Even the black cops is racist. No grass, just pavement, everybody bang.
Yo, man, for stop it right, this just to say this, you see man say, just because I want to go on in America right now, just because them kill the black man for no reason, the police, them, you see man say, so we have to stop it right, this just to say that, cause if you listen what she just say all that, she said even the black cops, them racist, you see man say, it's like say you want them go through the police, it cannot be them, it's like they brainwash them. If you forget say yo, even them black, you see me, brainwash. So, that's a one verse there, a one line there, that one bar there, kind of resonate with me right there, so just because I want to go on, and what we see over the telly and all these things, you see me? So I told, start
Aiming that gang shit. Honestly, every hood is the same shit. Let's change routes, different route, let's do it different. Instead of starting a gang, nigga, let's start a business. Either you gang or you gaining, that's not a hard decision. You can still be a star without the star position.
stop it right, so again, you see me I say, she said, instead of she start one gang, she start one business. Key move that. Gang don't make no sense. Business a key. You see me? Have money just a come in. You see me I say, key move.
And I'm winning cause my heart consistent. Stay indie, made a smart decision. Top notch is where my boss position. Trying to go head up with me, car collision. I can murder any of you rappers from start to finish. My drink devil, but I get high like God's position. When life threw me a rod, nigga, I started fishing. My palms started itching. Got that drive like when you start the engine. I'm a goat, but still I'm hardly mentioned. Fuck it, man, that's all they give me.
You know what it is. Shop the Trilogy Music, Super.
Oh,
Yeah,
Zin.
I owe you more, man.
Shall come back with something more. Shall come back with a couple more bars. Alright, let me take this here. First beat, sick. This a beat ya, sicker. Man. Love it beat, love it.
I see the hate, I see a lot of love.
Yeah.
Why they be so mad at you, ma? Shrugs. Is it cause you real?
Yeah.
Is it cause you kill shit? They all in they feelings? Shit, all of the above.
Yeah.
Don't know what their problem is. But anyway, baby, I could be your daddy if you don't know who your father is.
Yeah.
We know who don't like us. We know who our target is. Keep on shitting on them.
I have to stop it right there, so you see me? I have to stop it right there, so I can be your daddy if you don't know who your father is. Man.
Like I don't know what it all it is. Trophies in the offices. Back
Play it back no man. Man.
mad at you, ma. Shrugs. Is it cause you real? Is it cause you kill shit? They all in they feelings? Shit, all of the above. Don't know what their problem is. But anyway, baby, I could be your daddy if you don't know who your father is. We know who don't like us. We know who our target is. Keep on shitting on them like I don't know what it all it is. Trophies in them offices.
Yeah.
Graduated from the streets. I don't know what Harvard is. No diploma, no degrees. Put my chain on no degrees.
Yeah.
Dropped the bag at the dealer, told him throw them keys. I had a long day, baby, on your knees. Still put your face on it while I hold your weave.
Yeah.
And baby, when we done, can you roll a weed? She said, this gorilla? I said, oh indeed, but I would leave a bitch if she crossed me like a rosary. Cause even when I wasn't rich, them hoes still noticed me. Used to be cold-hearted, found a girl as cold as me. I believe what's done to me, not what's ever told to me. Man, fuck rumors. How the fuck can y'all believe what's on computers? Losers, learn life, pick me as your tutor. Come here, let me school you. Here's a pencil in the school book. Nigga, fuck a rule book. I'm disobedient. I used to see the haters, but now I see comedians. Got rid of some niggas cause they was moving devious.
Yeah.
Now I only move with the immediate. Got money, repeated it, etc., etc. You know what I mean and shit.
Love a line there, it's me love a line there. Got money, repeated it. Yeah. Man.
I've been laying low lately. Yeah, I did some shows lately. Can't lie, shit.
That's facts. She a lay low for real because me know, as me say, me know, a long time I don't hear nothing from Young M.A, you see me? Long time. So, but me like the vibe me I get from a freestyler, you see me? Like the vibe, love the vibe.
Been moving slower like an old lady, but I ain't broke, baby. I just came to get my mind right. Get back on my bully when the time right. Get back in that limelight.
Yeah.
Had to feed the streets like I just walked out of ShopRite. Pulling back was not right. My apologies.
Yeah.
I was in a time of need. I needed some privacy. I needed a prophecy. Couldn't let my mama see me at my lowest point. But I guess that's just the pride of me. Not to brag, but I be doing numbers like the lottery. If we speak in honesty, then honestly, who is hot as me? Logically, I'm still trying to see. And never get too comfortable, cause when you lit, that's the only time they gon' fuck with you. When that bag come, that's when they come to you. Trust me, this ain't nothing new. This is how the game is. You just gotta play it right. Remember, it's somebody out working while you lay at night.
You know what it is, Young M.A Funk Flex.
Alright, I said that I'm like how she done it, you see me? Remember, there's somebody out working while you sleep at night. Man. But alright, I said done.